What's up guys, it's Mike and Claire, welcome to our vlog, and today we're in El Paso for the White Sand Dunes. It's a monumental national treasure.
It is absolutely beautiful. It looks like I'm in winter in Vancouver right now, but we're not. The sun is out and there's a cool breeze. It's absolutely beautiful here. And let's see the sunset together.
Nice, babe. Nice, babe.
Difficult. So this place is absolutely cool. There is really cool vegetation and really cute little things that look like foxes that live here. There's also really interesting vegetation systems that go down into, you might only see 10 feet of it, but it actually goes down even 20 or 30 feet underground because of the water that exists under the white sand. And how it was formed is through gypsum. So over time, the erosion from the crystals that formed, it made all the sands white. And it is only about 10 million years old. So I was quite surprised by that because I thought it was like it had to be at least 70 million years old. But it is super cool. So if you're in New Mexico, I would definitely check it out. The entry fee is $5 per person, but it's totally worth it. And then we also got a tour around the sand dunes right here. You see a lot of vegetation around me. There's everything from rosemary mint vegetation to cottonwood trees. So it's very interesting. And now we're gonna head to a place where there's actually no vegetation and it will all be white. So it is almost like you're in a winter wonderland. So if you are feeling like some snow during the summer, I would definitely visit here to get your white paradise. See you on the other side.
So yeah, so that's about it for sand beaches here, and we're gonna drive to Arizona now and finally get to LA very soon. So another 9-hour drive for us, and I'll see you later.